What is going on, my individuals? Dre Drexler here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. All right, so today I have some insane fashion tips, tricks, and hacks to help you look better and achieve an overall improved style. All right, now I'm like crazy stoked because a lot of this stuff I'm sure you guys have never been taught before. So let's just go ahead, kick this thing off with number one, which I'm gonna head on over to my grocery store right now, and yeah, I'll meet you guys there for tip number one. All right guys, so fashion hack number one, I just got through at the gym. Now I'm at my grocery store picking up some food. Now at most grocery stores, I would say about 99% of them now, if you're either in the like the meat section or whatever, or in the front, they have these little wipes right here. You can pull these out and get yourself a free shoe cleaning. So check this out. I got my Kobe's on right here. Bam. A little scuffed up. Take these bad boys and go to work. And there you go. A free shoe cleaning at your local grocery store right there. Yeah. By the way, what the frick, bro? New flavor, bro. Cheat day, baby. All right, now number two, we have ZipSeam. Now I just found out about this a few months ago, and I gotta say I was really amazed at how cool this product is. Now what ZipSeam does is it allows you to tailor your baggy shirts in less than 2 minutes for under 10 bucks. As you can see here, this shirt is a little big around the body, so what I'm gonna do is flip my shirt inside out, take my zip seams, and apply them on both sides. Then I'm gonna flip my shirt back, and boom. Instantly tailored straight from your home without spending like 50 or 60 bucks on tailoring like I have done in the past. Number three, a huge fashion trick that is very subtle yet very effective is matching your accessories with the inner lining of your jackets. As you can see here, I matched the red on my watch with the red on the inside of my jacket. The reason why this is so effective is because it's an awesome style choice, yet it doesn't look like you're trying too hard. By the way, JORD and I do have a crazy giveaway going on right now. We're about to give away $180 store credit to JORDwoodwatches.com plus this exclusive Guess denim jacket. And on top of that, I'll also be giving the winner a signed personal letter. So if you want to go ahead and enter in that giveaway, I'll be sure to put that information down in the description. For those of you who don't know, JORD Wood Watches are my personal favorite brand of watches. By the way, JORD is not sponsoring this video. I just wanted to simply tell you guys about this amazing contest that we have going on right now. And honestly, I'm just trying to inform as much people as I can about JORD Wood Watches and the quality and style that they provide. I even have a promo code down in the description for $25 off of your order. So again, I'll put all the information down below. Number four, when you find a shirt or a pair of pants that fit very well, always buy two. I just did this myself the other day, and it's great, especially if the items are on sale. Because a lot of the times, we misjudge and we don't actually realize that there's 365 days in a year, and so it will definitely benefit you in the long run to have two of your favorite clothing pieces. Also, if you find a really dope clothing piece, you could either buy the same exact one, or you can buy it in a different color, wash, or pattern to have more variety of that clothing piece. Number five, put your personality into what you wear. Now, I've always said this, and I personally believe that this is what can separate your style from everyone else's. And that's to implement pieces that reflect your personality, your character, your passions. For instance, me personally, I love health and fitness. So a lot of my outfits influence athletic pieces. Number six, now, all of my tips today have been solely based on outer appearance. And you know, it's great. You know, of course, looking good and feeling good and feeling confident is definitely important. However, you're not, just to be honest, you're not gonna fully impress very many people if your confidence solely lies on outer appearance. True confidence comes from within. And I actually saw this quote the other day. I have it right here. It said, "A bird is sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking, because her trust is not on the branch, but on its own wings. meaning you gotta believe in yourself. Your confidence should come from within rather than strictly just outer materialistic things. So I encourage you guys, anybody who's dealing with a lack in self-confidence, to work on yourself, challenge yourself, read positive development books to improve yourself and to become the best version of you, rather than just, always listening to music all the time or watching funny videos on YouTube. Start watching motivational videos on YouTube instead. Start listening to positive music. Listen to positive things that are gonna build you up and help you grow and help you become the best version of yourself, and just things that are overall gonna push you forward. And just stay away from a lot of the stuff that we listen to and watch is very, very negative, especially our music. A lot of kids just think it's kind of a joke and it's just all for fun, but it really is messing with our culture subconsciously. And you want things that are gonna help push you forward in life and things that are not gonna hold you down and hold you back. And for anybody who feels like they need a little push in life, they need some encouragement, some motivation, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications button so I can inform you of all my new content that I'm working on. A lot of what I do on this channel is motivate and inspire. That's what I've built this channel upon. And of course on Instagram, if you don't follow me on there, a lot of you know that I post a lot of motivational content on there as well, because at the end of the day, that's what this thing is all about for me specifically, is to help you guys and see you guys go to that next level in your life. If I'm not helping people from within, then I feel unsatisfied, man. I feel like I'm not doing my job here on this earth. So with that said, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you dug it, please give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon. My name is Dre Drexler. Shaka bra.